Do states punish faithless electors in US elections? Imagine a scenario where an elector, who is expected to vote for a specific candidate during the Electoral College process, chooses to cast their ballot for someone else. This situation, known as a faithless elector, raises questions about the rules and consequences that govern such actions across different states. In the United States, the Electoral College is responsible for officially electing the president and vice president. Each state appoints electors based on the popular vote within that state. While the general expectation is that electors vote in line with their state's popular choice, the rules governing their behavior vary significantly from state to state. Most states have established laws that attempt to regulate the conduct of electors. These laws often include penalties for faithless voting, which can range from fines to disqualification from holding future public office. For example, some states impose monetary fines on faithless electors, while others have laws that void their votes altogether. In certain cases, states have even replaced faithless electors with substitutes or have taken legal action to prevent their votes from counting. However, the enforceability of these laws has faced legal challenges. The Supreme Court of the United States addressed this issue in the case of Colorado Department of State versus Baca. In 2020, the court ruled that states have the authority to enforce laws that bind electors to their pledged votes. The ruling clarified that states can impose penalties or disqualify faithless electors if their laws explicitly provide for such measures. Despite these legal provisions, faithless electors are relatively rare. When they do occur, the impact on the overall election outcome is usually minimal. The legal consequences vary widely, with some states actively pursuing penalties and others having more lenient or ambiguous rules. The overall trend indicates that states are increasingly taking steps to discourage faithless voting and uphold the integrity of the Electoral College process. In summary, many states do have laws to punish or discourage faithless electors, and legal authority supports their enforcement. The specific penalties and procedures differ across the country, but the goal remains consistent: to ensure electors vote in accordance with their state's popular choice and to maintain trust in the electoral process.